Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I am oh, my thing's not working. Oh my gosh, okay, never mind. My thing's working. Okay, whatever. I'm playing this game called Lucky Blocks. And guys, I'm not going to do an intro for my video today because it takes 40 minutes just to upload a video. Who wants to wait 40 minutes? But whoever. What? Um. uh, uh, I want to skip now. Why does life have to be rude? Okay, just kidding. I have a group called Cassidy, and yeah, I'm going to link it on the description below. I want to show you guys something. Right here, I linked, people in the motorcycles. People with motorcycles. Wow, I got 11 views on this one. That's amazing. Okay. Oh, I have to add it. Here is my group name. Link. So you guys can check it out on this video. I have to save this because I have to save this update so you can see this as a well. So here we are in the, oh dang. What the heck happened? Did I die? I died. All my things that was in my inventory, they're gone. I do have a Discord, but I don't know if it's fake. I do not know. Let me go check and see if it's safe. I don't know. Okay, guys, I don't know if it's safe. Probably is because I don't know. But if you got whatever okay, whatever. Boing, 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 boing. Yo, that is. Oh, no. You want to be hit by this? Huh? Want to be hit? Want to be hit? Want to be hit? Want to be hit? Oh my gosh! Please don't! Just kidding. I don't cry lots of times. Whatever. Wait, what is happening? Okay, never mind. I got weird. I got weird. I'm just weird. You do not mind my weirdness. Do not mind my weirdness. Guys, I'm about to open up the bricks. I'm about to open up the bricks. I'm about to open up the bricks. Out. Right here, these bricks, the blue, I got the blue, purple, the yellow, and the blue stuff. See, they are Kurti, and Mooti, and Shooty. Oh no, you know what I mean? Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Let's do this. I'll show you everything I got after I get them all. Oh my gosh. For the blue one, you get 2 at a time. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2. Do, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, baby. 2, 2, 2, baby. 2, baby. 2. I've been in this game for an hour, guys. I've been in this game for an hour, guys. I've been in this game for an hour, guys. Okay, so I'm about to open up this and this. Okay, I'm about to show you everything. Y'all, we be rolling. Here is all the items right down there, and that's all. Bye.